Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this car on a heading path and make it look like it's going under these trees on this road here, like you see on the screen. This first picture is the original. Then I took it and put it in 3D paint and I colored the road and painted the trees out. And then I put it in here and I used a magic mask and masked the trees. So this is a studio version only. And when you stack them like this, it looked like the original. Go ahead and shut track 2 off and go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there in the way. With the media in selected, hit a merge. Go to the inspector, right click on the center, and path. I don't have a middle mouse wheel. That's why I use the drop-down menu to zoom in and out. You would think you'd be able to make your polyline now, but you can't. You have to select this tool. And then you can. But you'd also think you could start your polyline here, and you can't. If you do, it's going to jump right to here. So bring that over. But take the size all the way down. Zoom back in. Okay. And then select this Modify Only tool. That way you won't mistakenly put any extra points in. Highlight them all. And the Smooth button here. I'm going to have to take some time to line a few of these up. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Now we'll bring the car down. And that's what I have. Merge it into the merge one. Go back to one viewer. And select the merge. Go to the modifier. Make sure you're on the frame where the keyframe is set. Then delete it. Right click. Modify width. Random curves. Now we have the car following the path, but we want it facing the right direction. Go back to Tools. Right click on the angle. Connect to Path 1 Heading. And if your car isn't heading the right direction, you can flip it right here. Still a little big. Go back to the edit page, turn track 2 back on. And your car now should be under the trees. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.